Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I will show you how to build a custom habit tracker in Notion. So if you want to create something like this, just stay with me, I will explain. So let's lay down the physical database grid to track your targeted habits. So let's open up a fresh Notion page. So just give it a name, I will name it tracker, then start writing database inline, choose this, okay, and title the first block daily cadence ledger. Next, just create a checkbox, as you can see, next to the cadence ledger. You can instead just name it like gem, for example. That's better. And then you can just write a clean formula to instantly calculate your completion percentage without clunky workarounds. So add a final property row right here. Click on plus, choose formula, okay, then click on it, edit property, edit formula, and paste the formula I will give you. So this one right here. And just save it. After that, guys, just make sure that you set the property to show as. For example, choose the ring, and number format you can choose percentage. That's fine. And you can just check off a habit as completed, and your visual tracker bar dynamically advances across your dashboard screen in real time. So that is it for this one, guys. Enjoy, and thank you for watching.